What's up guys, today I bring you another lifetime opportunity. Check out these two amazing asset bundles from Lertis Studios for Unreal Engine. Lertis creates stunning Unreal Engine environments for the marketplace. They always create these bundles where I collab with them, and they just released two new insane bundles. For the first bundle of Space Nova, you can grab more than 19 packs valued at $2,900 for only $30 using my affiliate link and coupon code SN70 for a 70% of discount. And for the second Star Nova bundle, you can get more than 8 packs valued at $2,150 for only $10 using my affiliate link and coupon code SN40 for an 80% of discount. Just make sure you fill in the coupon codes for each bundle and set the tip to 0 in the checkout. The links are in the description. This is a limited time offer, so go quick before the offer ends. The quality in Lertis assets is amazing. They really look at all the details. I've been using Lertis assets for years now, and I even got these bundles for myself. You get so much out of them for this price. So go quick now before the bundles ends. Remember to use my affiliate link and coupon codes. If you found this video helpful, I would really appreciate it if you could like the video and subscribe to my channel. And now yes, with all I said, bye bye.